Explain to me so I know how that affects you. It's so huge. And for my software folks out there, David in the UK, right? This is so hard for us to remember. David's probably doing a good job of this. It's hard for us to remember, especially when we're selling a service or something like software or a high ticket item, that there's people on the other end of this, right? So David, can you explain to me what's going on with the reporting right now so I can know how that affects you? So I can know how that affects you. What I want to get is I want to get to that prospect talking about how this is affecting them, their department, how it's making them afraid. How long has that been going on for? Right? How long is that? Oh man, this has been going on for 3 years. 3 years? Can you help me understand how you guys have dealt with this for 3 years? What's involved with making this work? What's the impact of that? Write that one down. What is just out of curiosity, and remember, you can ask any question in the world without seeming pushy or without seeming you're prying by putting just out of curiosity in front of it. Just out of curiosity, David, you had mentioned that there's no mobile app right now, or just out of curiosity, you had mentioned that I think you had said 34%, if I wrote it down correctly, of your patients are not showing up to their appointments. What's the impact of that? It costs us top line revenue. Got it. And can you describe for me, when you say it costs you top line revenue, so I can better understand, can you walk me through a specific example of a patient not showing up for their appointment and kind of how that affects the organization and ideally the impact of that on you personally? Now you're getting them talking.